Welcome to Best Car Fixes Comaro 2017-16. We have a cooling fan. This cooling fan is electronic. Is the fan and the module, the fan driver is all one piece. It have three wires. One of them is like red and green, black is ground, and here is the commanding or the activation. We look around here when we come, we don't find it here. You see, we don't find, and we have a code. We open this with a razor and we look out and we found that this wire was cut. You see, it cut somewhere. Somebody took it out and we cut it. We open all this here and we found it is hiding here. And where is the code that we have? This code, you see, P0480 cooling fan relay 1 control circuit symptom. And also we have another P0591 cooling fan relay control circuit voltage. So we have two codes that they never go away. So just to know that. And this wire here, this is a ground. It could be on a chassis ground, which is here, G101. But the other one, this is a K20 engine control module, and this wire is a white and black, and coming here is a white and black, and the last connector is like there is nothing here, there is no color there. And I see here, this I believe the wire. This is the feed of the cooling fan. You see this wire here? If you notice, this is it. And the ground is supposed to be tied somewhere. So what we need to do is to get this wire. We're gonna make a extension here and all the way to this place, tape it, and then we're gonna see if the code will clear. Mr. Lou, can you give us quick wire here? We're gonna connect it here and see if the code gonna go away, because without the fan, I don't believe. Without this, and also we found that also in the communication line we have like couple of wire that's being cut. We fix those wire all. Yeah. This car from the auction. We have a lot of issue here. You see also the communication data line was being cut. You see here we have a communication data line. You see this is a communication data line. We have one like this and we have one here. This one here was snipped, cut and throw away. We don't find it. So we do our best. And also we have something here. I don't know what it is for. Maybe for door lock, unlock. This is the key for the car. You see, everything work. But this is the remote for it, for them. We're gonna try to fix that one. You see here, everything messed up, the wiring. We fix all these wires. You know, they cut it. Somebody like take a razor or something and cut it. Also, this one was no good. We fixed it just now. He may need accelerator pedal in the future. Ignition switch is on. Now we're gonna see if we can clear the code from that. Your wire is so far. You just want to test it? We just put this wire here. Ignition on, I believe. So clear the codes. Now we're gonna read it again. Display code. No code.
มือนี่ลูก
Thank God.
activate the fan. That's all.
Oh, you want to activate the fan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure the fan works.
Yeah, activate it. Function.
If you activate it and it don't come on.
Functional test, right?
Yeah.
Does it have it?
Outputs. Clear the fan.
Cooling fan, yeah.
Okay, increase in speed.
Okay.
30. 40.
Yeah. See?
You hear it?
Yeah, start walking. Go.
What?
Make it high. Start walking.
What?
Good. And airplane. How you like it? Let me see how much voltage I have when I increase it here. First, I know I have 12 volts. Now I'm gonna put this one here. This is 12 volts. Okay, increase.
40.
40, you know, ground.
50.
50%.
60.
60%. Nice 4. 70%. That's enough. Yeah. That's good. 90. 90 is 1%. It's 10 is 1.0. Okay, so perfect. Circuit is good. Fan is working fine. Everything is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And also, we're gonna do the test for this one, the input and output for the ignition switch. And this is the starter, right?
It just works.
Yeah, it works, but we just want to get the output and input later on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.